What is up, beautiful? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Xoxia Outlaw, if you didn't fucking know. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my falsy lashes. So the first thing you want to do is start off by putting a good coat of mascara. This applies a good base, as well as it helps cover up any, brown powder and makeup that might be on your lashes. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to be grabbing our lash. This is from Eyelash brand. It's called High Grade Lash. Look how cute the packaging is with the ganja leaves and everything. And this is in the style called Roll Up. These are what they look like. Super pretty. So the next thing I'm showing you guys here is how to hold the lash. You just want to hold it by the middle of the lash with the tweezer and get a really good curve, on the lash. And I've already applied my glue, and you guys can see that I'm starting from the inner corner of my eye, and then I'm just setting it, at the top of my lash line, not on my lash hairs. And then I go ahead and apply the middle and the outer corner. On the second eye, I normally start on the opposite end, so I'm starting at the outer corner and bringing the lash in. It just kind of depends on, the way that your mobility is set up and everything. So just try to get your footing on how you feel most comfortable. And what I'm doing right now is I'm pinching the lashes together after I've given the glue a second to dry. So you just want to pinch them together with your natural lashes at this point to give it a more seamless look. You can use the tweezers or you can use your fingers. But yeah, girls, that's pretty much it. If you would like to shop with us, just remember to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you dolls next time. Bye!